Why do eagles have the best vision in the animal kingdom? And why can they soar higher than any other bird? Let's find out. Eagles are amazing birds and they're known as the kings of the skies. With wings that can stretch over 7 feet, they can soar high above the mountains and trees. But how do they do it? Eagles have super strong wings and muscles that help them glide through the air for hours. And what do they eat? Eagles have super sharp beaks and claws to catch fish, small animals, and even other birds. Yum! Ever wonder how baby eagles grow up? Baby eagles, called eaglets, hatch from eggs in nests built high up in trees or cliffs. They stay with their parents until they're strong enough to fly on their own. Isn't that amazing? So next time you look up at the sky, keep an eye out for these incredible birds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more awesome animal adventures. Screech!